So recently I made these tiny voltmeters, and someone in the comment section said that this could be done by hand soldering instead of using a stencil. Sure, it can be done, but it is not so simple. As a comparison, I put a regular rice grain and a sushi rice grain next to the 0603 component that I typically use in my circuits. It is pretty small, but it is doable. First I spread a little flux on the surface. Then I put a little solder on one of the tabs of the component. Then one by one I place the components where they belong and remelt the solder blob that I already have on the tab. I make sure to let the components to heat up as well to allow a good adhesion with the solder. Mistakes can also happen, but they can be fixed. Then I add a little more flux and finish soldering the components by soldering their other side to the tabs on the PCB. For larger components, such as an 8-pin chip, I prepare multiple tabs. At the end, I clean up the board with some alcohol. Although the board I prepared using a stencil came out nicer, this one is also acceptable for hobby purposes.